Technology has improved a lot since the 60s and 70s. The way we communicate, the way we work, the way we travel, even the way we shop. We depend on technology to improve our day-to-day lives, from the way we use our appliances to the way we drive our cars. Yet, the way we think about housing hasn't changed for hundreds of years. Why does the perception of manufactured homes remain the same? The reality is that today's manufactured homes are precision-crafted in state-of-the-art facilities with modern technology designed to eliminate waste and reduce cost. The best part is that manufactured homes provide high-quality homes at a fraction of the price of traditional site-built homes. Take advantage of all the luxurious benefits and savings that technology can provide in a new, modern, manufactured home. Unless, of course, that is, you really like going to the disco in sequined parachute pants and using a rotary phone to make your calls.